Well, hello there. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist, professional makeup artist, lover of PAT McGRATH and theatrics. So if you guys are into those things too, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so I recently went on a little bit of a shopping spree because PAT McGRATH was having a sale and I was like, this is the perfect time to get my hands on some of her products because as you guys know, she is a little bit pricey, but I love her products, and I thought it would be kind of cool to do a review. But a review with a twist. So as you can see, Mama Pat always delivers with her packaging. I mean, it is just so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I think she does an amazing job. Well, her and her designers do an amazing job with their packaging and really making everything look edgy and trendy and beautiful. So, you know, being that I'm into theatrics, I thought that it would be kind of cool if I gave you a review, but kind of try to recreate this look. Now, it's not going to be exactly the same, but I do think that we can make it kind of dramatic and beautiful. So if you guys are into that, please continue watching. I will also go ahead and do a regular swatch review. So if you guys want to see that, I will leave a timestamp down below and you can just skip ahead to that part so you can see how the colors swatch on my skin. And without further ado, let's try to turn myself into this beautiful alien goddess or something. I went ahead and done my foundation already. I used Nars and I mixed Too Faced because I wanted it to be a little bit heavier. And I've also went ahead and done my brows. That's the only thing that I've done. And in this video, I'm actually gonna go ahead and do skin first and eyes last. You guys know I like to do eyes first. But because this is kind of a different dramatic look, we have to do some layering, and I'm gonna start with the skin. Taking Born This Way's concealer in color Ganache, we're actually gonna go ahead and lay a pretty heavy contour for this first part. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this Nars concealer all over the front section of my face. If you'll notice in the packaging, the front of her face is very highlighted, so that's what I'm going for. Now it's time to blend everything out into oblivion. I'm gonna take my One Size Beauty translucent powder and I'm gonna set everything in place. So I also got Pat's Celestial Odyssey Blush Trio, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that highlight color and lay that right underneath my eye, a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on my chin and forehead. The reason I'm laying it underneath my eye as opposed to just on my cheekbone is because we really want to highlight the center of the face.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night.
Now taking color Love Struck, I'm going to go ahead and lay that all over the perimeter of my face.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
As you guys can see, it's a really beautiful color, but I decided I wanted to punch up the pink a little bit. So I'm gonna take Danessa Myricks waterproof palette and I'm gonna use color Fruit Cocktail to go around and kind of mix the two pinks together to make it seem a little bit more pronounced.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do.
Dipping into the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take color Shockwave and use that as my transition on my eyelids.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Now we're gonna go ahead and dip into color Extreme Plum Noir, and we're gonna put that all in the crease of our eye.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
Next up, I'm gonna take color Secret Eden and I'm gonna lay that as kind of a soft crease. You guys will see I ended up changing this, but I wanted to leave it in here so that you could see it on my eyes anyway, and hopefully get an idea of how it would be on yours. Taking color Astral Amethyst Moon, I'm gonna go ahead and lay that on my lid. It's such a beautiful color, guys. It's really pretty. I wanted to see if I could punch up the color a little bit, so I decided to do a cut crease using the Nars concealer that I used before and really kind of pack that purple on top of it. And as you can see, it turned out really well and I loved it. My success face. I'm gonna go ahead and take Stila's liquid shimmer pigment in color Monarch, and I'm gonna lay that right above my crease line. Taking color Blitz Sextreme, I'm gonna go ahead and brush that gently onto my eyebrows because she has a little bit of a shimmer on her brows in the packaging. Using that same color Extreme Plum Noir, I'm gonna use that to go right underneath my eyelid.
Let it all
I'm just gonna take some black liquid liner and make a small line across my eyelid. Next up, I'm going to take these little bedazzled eyelashes and place them on my lids. I just used rhinestones and eyelash glue to place them, and they turned out so pretty. I love them. Now for the fun part, we're going to go ahead and take Pat McGrath's Revelation Red and her red glitter, and we're going to lay that all over our lips. Next up, I'm going to take eyelash glue and start to place the red rhinestones on my lips. It's kind of a long process, so I didn't want to film the whole thing, but you guys get the idea. As promised, now it's time for the swatches. This is color Astral Venetian Orchid. Next up is Astral Amethyst Moon, Blitz Sextreme, Bronze Solaris 005. This is Shockwave, a really pretty peachy coral color. Bronze Desire, Cosmic Bloom, Secret Eden, Skin Show Nude Ecstasy, so naughty, and Extreme Plum Noir. So here are all the swatches. I think the colors are so stunning. The color story is beautiful and I love the shimmers. Alright guys, there you go. This is my rendition of Pat McGrath's Heutopian packaging. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun for me to create. It was something different while still kind of giving you as many colors as I could in the palette. If you guys want to see more color combinations in this palette, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to film another video using colors that I didn't use. But yeah, I'm overall pretty happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? And also, if you're into this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload weekly, and I'd love to see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!